So where are we? Yeah, where are we?
We're in a field full of cows.
We are in a place forgotten by God.
Do you remember the name of it? No.
Forgotten by God.
Forgotten by
Right,
God.
who told you where we've got to go? So where have we got to go, Dad?
We've got to go over to the end of the field. It goes over the end of the field, down there, and there's a simple path.
Don't start.
Okay,
We'll
we'll go
follow
down that
you.
way. I already know where we're going. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? I think this is quite nice. No.
I'm a bird. Watch me fall. Oh!
Now it's on that bench to find the waterfall.
I was expecting to go to Cornwall and have lobster and scallops.
Yeah, what's the first thing Danielle says when we get to the car park there to the man? You said if we've got any fine dining. Oh, we got a cafe down there. There might be a cafe there, but no fine dining, sir.
This is like going back to the Dark Ages. Come on holidays, Cornwall, they say. Bugger bloody Cornwall. I'm not coming here again. I want to be on holiday and relax, not hiking. This is a bit like that place we visited with that photographer, that nice fella.
It is a bit. That was on this direction. Somerset, that was. And that's it. That's what we've come to see. That's the waterfall. Yeah, that's the waterfall.
It looks like something shaped like a mushroom.
Then what?
A mushroom stone they've done there.
In the net you put in the wishing tree.
You physically can't put pennies in them.
I got mine in.
I popped it at the top.
Okay. So old superstitions die hard, don't they? So that was the New Age shop and yoga centre. And up to the waterfall.
15-minute walk from here.
Okay, they don't tell you that. And back.
You could buy the ribbons in the gift shop.
Oh my god, it's so bright. I'm really on my light.
That's nice. Right,
So they do. This is all the yoga retreat here, isn't it?
I'm scared my chips.
And yet they serve these sandwiches up at the restaurant.
Yeah, that's where the people come and meditate.
Not going to be happy.
No, she would not like this. She would not like this. Is half an hour, but and it's quite a steep journey down. But we're going to have to walk back, and that's not going to be very pleasant. There's no shortcuts back, he said. You've got to go. It's too steep a track. Perhaps if she went to the shop first, she might feel refreshed.
I bet she's going to buy
It is. This is all this way. Yeah. There it is. It comes out that little opening there, which is quite interesting. It comes out of nowhere. That's why they like it, isn't it?
You get up to it.
Yeah, we get down to the bottom. Sort of all hippie-ish here, isn't it, really? Yeah, it's all kind of hippie.
It's like, do you know
hippie.
who it reminds me of? That baby.
Yeah, it is a bit. It's the sort of yoga sanctuary vibe, yeah. Which is alright, I thought that's quite nice. But it's all sort of feel the vibes, man. It is interesting. It disappears into a sort of hole down there too.
What?
Okay, Penguin.
Stand there. Oh, wait, yeah.
Stand there.
You stand over there.
Okay.
Damien, stand there. Oh, wait, no. I've got one bar.
They're up here, Dominico.
Yeah, I saw them. Not like big ones, not tiny ones.
Little piles of rocks, isn't it?
If you enjoyed this video, then follow Jane and I on our adventures around the world by subscribing. You can click that button, or you can click the little bell thingy on the main page, and then you'll get regular updates every time we upload something new. Like the page and also make your comments. We look forward to seeing you next time.